Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully before installing, operating, or servicing the unit. Read the safety information at the beginning of the manual and in each section. In this video, you'll learn how to replace the torch head on the Miller OptX Handheld Laser. All users must review the owner's manual in its entirety and be fully trained before using the OptX system. Warning: Class 4 invisible laser radiation can permanently damage eyes and skin. Everyone present during laser operation must wear both Miller OptX laser welding helmet and laser safety eyewear certified for OD7 or greater at 1070 nanometers. Before performing any maintenance on the handheld torch, turn it off and remove the key. Disconnect the AC power cord and turn off the gas supply from the OptX machine. For this procedure, you'll need a 2.5mm Allen wrench, a metal cutter, and one pair of powder-free nitrile gloves. Loosen the collet and remove the nozzle and wire assembly. From the bottom of the torch, remove approximately 1.5 feet of the netted sheathing from the umbilical cable to expose the cabling within. Rotate the electrical cable connector counterclockwise and pull to disconnect. Then, press in the fitting to remove the gas tubing connection. Unscrew the two Allen head screws using a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Once unscrewed, cut the cable tie and pull down the plastic handle. Next, pull down to remove the boot and disconnect the torch from the fiber bayonet. Once the fiber bayonet is removed, immediately connect it to the new torch head. If you are not immediately connecting to your new torch, use the provided protective cap to cover the top of the fiber bayonet. To connect the fiber bayonet to a new torch head, first ensure the red dots on both the receiver nut and the fiber bayonet are aligned. Gently insert the fiber bayonet as far as it will go without forcing it, and rotate the receiver nut to lock into place. Once the bayonet is connected, put the boot back into place, and screw in the two Allen head screws. Next, insert the electrical cable connector and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Then, reconnect the torch to the gas tubing. Reinstall the netted sheathing, and reconnect the collet to insert the nozzle back in. This concludes our video on replacing the torch head on the Miller OptX Handheld Laser and connecting or disconnecting the fiber bayonet from the torch. If you have any questions, refer to our webpage, millerwelds.com/optixinfo.